Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on your HP Chromebook 14A. This is a very simple process. All you need to do is press on the screenshot button on the keyboard. So as you go to the keyboard, you'll notice this button right here. It's on the left side of the brightness down key. And now, as I simply click on that, it brings this pop-up menu. And you can either select an area to capture. Automatically it goes into that mode. So you can simply select what to capture. And now click on capture. Can see it's done. Then you have a few more options like the yeah, you can see it appears right here. If you hover over it, you can take a full screenshot. Then you need to just click anywhere to capture the full screen. You can also select the window capture, but first you need to have any window opened. So let's open like the file browser, and now as I click on the screenshot tool, I can select that, then hover over the window I want to capture. You'll notice how it turns brighter. Click on it and the screenshot is taken. Also in the tool you'll see the settings. And you can, basically these things will be mostly for the video recording, which is also covered in a different video, but you can switch between screenshot and screen record here. Then you can also change the saving location, and that's actually applied to both screenshots and screen recording. So let's select the folder. And instead of downloads, I'd like to have it somewhere else. So let's maybe create a new folder like screenshots, basically. I'm gonna select that, then open it, and now you can see screenshots are selected, and that's where the screenshots will go. And that's all for this video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.